Vietnamese fresh spring rolls or summer rolls are known to be super healthy and refreshing. But did you know that each region of Vietnam serves a different variation of this dish? In this video, I will introduce you some of the most well-known Vietnamese fresh spring roll recipes in the south, central, and north of Vietnam. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
The Vietnamese fresh spring roll version that's known to the world is actually from the south of Vietnam. It's packed with fresh veggies, boiled pork and shrimps, and served with a peanut-based dipping sauce. To many generations, it's a favorite street food snack. You will need pork belly, shrimps, lettuce, cucumber, garlic and chilies, fresh herbs like mint and coriander, some rice vermicelli, and rice paper. For the dipping sauce, you will need peanuts, hoisin sauce, peanut butter, some stock powder, and vinegar. Firstly, blanch the pork belly for about 5 minutes with some salt and vinegar to remove the bad smell, then rinse well and transfer to a clean pot filled with enough water to cover. Add some smashed shallots. Bring to a boil and cook over low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the thickness of the cut. Then transfer to an ice water bowl and thinly slice. For the shrimps, you can either boil, steam, or dry fry in a pan without any oil until they turn orange. Then peel, devein, and cut lengthwise in half. Cut the cucumber lengthwise into about 3-inch slices. Heat some oil in a pan and sauté about a tablespoon of minced garlic until fragrant. Add 5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar depending on the sweetness of your hoisin sauce, 5 tablespoons of the pork broth. Add a tablespoon of peanut butter to thicken and also to add some rich and nuttiness to the sauce. Stir well and simmer for about 2 minutes until the sauce thickens. If you use small size of rice paper like I do, quickly wet them and place on a flat surface partially overlapping. Arrange the lettuce, rice vermicelli, fresh herbs and cucumber, pork and shrimps in a row, making sure the orange sides of the shrimps facing down. Fold in the sides and wrap tightly. This way the shrimps and pork will show up in the final rolls very pretty. Add some crushed roasted peanut to the sauce and some minced garlic and chilies. To serve, you dip the spring rolls into the sauce and enjoy. It's so refreshing but packed with flavors. If you've been to central Vietnam, especially Da Nang City, you might have tried this local specialty, stew the fresh spring rolls with pork, but by adding a few more items like the rice sheets, green vegetables, and serving with the local special anchovy sauce, the flavor have changed tremendously. You will need 500 gram pork belly, some anchovy sauce or mắm nêm, a stack of fresh rice sheets, rice paper, some pineapple, lime, cucumber, lettuce and fresh herbs like perilla or mint, garlic and chili, and green banana and star fruit. Peel and cut the green banana lengthwise into thin slices. This will add some tartness flavor to the roll. Soak the green banana slices in salted water to prevent darkening. To add some tanginess to the roll, cut the green star fruit also lengthwise into thin slices. Boil the pork the same way as in the previous recipe. For the dipping sauce, heat some oil in the pan and fry some minced garlic until fragrant. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped pineapple, a tablespoon of sugar, and the anchovy sauce. The sauce will have a balance between sweet, savory, and tangy flavors. Leave to cool, then squeeze in some lime juice and add some chopped chilies on top. For this version, the diners will make the rolls themselves on the dining table. So arrange the fresh greens and vegetables on the platter. You will use a fresh kind of rice paper that doesn't need to wet. They are so thin and flexible that you can just roll without dipping in water. You stick the rice paper onto the stack of rice sheets. Gently peel off so that you can detach one rice sheet from the stack. Arrange the fresh greens and fruit on top, the fresh herbs and the pork slices, then gently roll up. Dip into the anchovy sauce and you will experience the intense flavor from the sea, oh so fresh and flavorful. Another version of the Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, much favored by the old emperors of Huế, the old capital city of Vietnam, is the summer roll with fermented sour shrimp. You will need pork belly, fresh rice sheets, and fermented shrimp paste, rice vermicelli, sweet potato, cucumber, green mango, fresh herbs, green bananas, and green star fruit. Cut half the sweet potato into small cubes and the other half into strips. Steam until soft and mash the cubes. Saute some garlic until fragrant, then add the paste-style fermented shrimp paste or mamruk, some mashed sweet potato, sugar, and a cup of pork broth. Stir well and simmer on low heat until homogeneous and thickened. Mix the fermented sour shrimp with some garlic and chilies. Line the rice paper with a piece of rice sheets. Arrange the fresh greens and fruits, the steamed julienne sweet potato, and some fresh herbs, and roll up. Then cut the roll into bite-sized pieces. Arrange them on a plate and place a slice of pork and one fermented sour shrimp or tom chua on top. Look at that, so pretty, aren't they? Dip into that flavorful sauce and enjoy. One more version of the fresh spring roll from the north of Vietnam is nem tai, a popular street food snack in Hanoi. You will need a pig's ear, 50 grams of roasted rice powder, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, sugar, lime leaves, and edible forest leaf, and some garlic and lime. Boil the pork ear with some salt, vinegar, and cooking wine. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and then transfer to an ice water bowl. Then finally slice. Mix the shredded pig's ears with minced garlic, lime juice, and fish sauce, sugar, and leave to sit for about 15 minutes. Then remove the excess water, add some fine threads of lime leaves. Toss the pig's ear with the roasted rice powder and roll up in a piece of rice paper with some of your favorite herbs. Dip into a bowl of light, sweet and sour fish sauce. It's quite a unique and exotic dish that you should try if you have the chance to visit north of Vietnam. I hope this video has broadened your culinary knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese recipes. I will see you there next time. Bye!